Hi, this is Soumya Acharya. I am the author of the Amazon bestseller, The Power of Emotional Healing, and the founder of HBT Academy. I have an interesting topic to talk about today, and this one strategy will help you to monomaniacally get focused on the things that is important to you, right? And that particular strategy, without any delay, I bring to you is minimalism. Minimalism is so very important in our lives, especially in the modern era, right? It's a value-based approachable strategy, because so many of us are so much involved in so many things. We have a lot of things going on in our life that we are so distracted and we are not able to focus on what exactly really matters to us. Right now, you might want to take some examples. If you go to some art galleries in India or in any other country, or if you go to any design spaces for that matter, what you observe there is minimalism. The word is minimalism. They all practice minimalism and they are all minimalists. Now, minimalism is not just a design vibe. Majority of us constrain ourselves to minimalistic interior designing concepts, wherein we focus on concrete floors, not many things on the walls, too many glasses, too much of lights around, and things like that, which is good. And that's one of the major concepts that's going on with respect to interior designing. And the same concept can be applied to every strategy, every area of our life, and not just limit ourselves to interior designing, right? Most of the historians, if you think, are not complexitarians. They are simple people. They believed in minimalism. They had a minimalistic approach, right? Majority of us today, if you look around, we are all distracted. We have so many things going on in our lives. We have 40,000 followers. We have a lot of distractions happening in our social media feeds. A huge number of virtual friends. We are always sticking onto our devices, getting distracted. Too many social engagements, a lot of books to read, but you might need to ask yourself this question: are you really able to give your 100% to everything that you are involved in? As I said earlier, if you look at the history, all the people who've created change are minimalists. They believed in minimalism. They didn't have 40,000 followers, or they didn't have 14 to 15 cars, or they didn't have 7 or 8 big houses. They didn't have too many friends. They just had few minimalist friends that they could rely on. They just concentrated on one thing that would enable them to give their 100%. They just focused on things that really mattered to them, and that's what makes them different. And that is one of the major strategy which you could follow if you want to really use your energy for things that really matter to you. But today, majority of us keep doing a lot of stuff even without self-reflecting. Why I'm doing this? Is it something that I really want to do? No, most of us don't even ask these questions. We are so numbed by the day-to-day activities, by so much of complexities and distractions that we have in our lives, that we have got sucked into it without even realizing that we are simply wasting our personal resources. 5 personal resources: your time, your individual gifts, your mental focus, your physical energy, and your personal willpower. These are the 5 assets of elite performance. And now if you have a lot of energy and you distract with so many things going on in your life, you put all your energy and your energy is scattered in different directions. Do you think would you be able to provide or get a good output? No, you won't be able to get it. But if you have a lot of energy, if you have a lot of resources, you direct it towards a particular activity which is really, really important to you and which you want to really focus on. And now, with focus and energy, you get the desired result that you want. You can be the master of that particular thing that you want to be doing instead of being the jack of every craft, jack of every trade. Be the master of one trade that nobody can do the way you do it, right? So the strategy is simple. Be minimalistic. Focus on things that really, really matter to you, and that is what you want to be doing in your life instead of just following the crowd and doing hundreds of things without even realizing what you really want to be doing. And so the strategy is minimalism. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I hope it has been of some value to you. And in case if you like the video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of the future videos that I post. Okay? I also have a very good news for all of you guys who are watching this video till the end. If you click on the link in the description below, there is a gift for you all. It's a special resource guide which I have developed, which I have handcrafted for especially teenagers to help them become better in managing their time. And if you are a parent watching this video, you might want to give this to your teenager and enable them to manage their time effectively, right? And if you are a teenager yourself, I'm sure this guide will come in handy for you guys, right? So click on the link in the description below and download your copy. And do let me know how useful the guide was for you in the comment section. And in case if you still want to get connected with me and get more insights, more such insights on performance, productivity and improving your personality, and you want to stay connected with me, there is a link in the description below of my private Facebook group. You can click on the description below and join my private Facebook group where I keep sharing such insights on a day-on-day basis. Alright, so thank you so much for watching the video. See you until next time. Bye bye.